Hey guys, today we're making grits. Every morning Danny usually gets up and makes our breakfast, and some mornings it's grits. And I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to make grits. Grits are ground corn. You can grind corn in several different stages, whether it's coarse or fine. Usually the fine is cornmeal and the coarse is grits. It can be either yellow grits or white grits. The yellow is just according to the corn, whether you have your white or yellow grits. We usually grind our own corn, which is Danny corn here. In the clip, there are several ways that we do it, but usually by hand. We do have a food mill, but the food mill grinds it too fine and makes cornmeal. So the hand grinder makes grits a lot better for us. Today we're going to be using grits from the Homestead box. These grits came from Stutzman Farms. They were in the Homestead box, and we're going to be sharing them with Matt, our woofer. The first thing you do is you boil water. It would be about, I think, 1 cup of water to half a cup of grits. So that'd be like 2 to 1, I guess. You stir the grits into the water before it boils. You add a little bit of salt, maybe half a teaspoon of salt, and then later you can salt to taste. You get the grits boiling, and you stir and turn the fire down after it starts boiling. And just keep it at a low simmer and stir for about maybe 10 minutes, just occasionally. That should get your grits to the consistency that you would like to have. As you can see, these grits are getting thicker. Here the grits are to the consistency that we want. We're going to shut the fire off and leave it for a few minutes and add salt, pepper, and butter. If you like your grits with cheese, you can add cheese at this point. Grits are usually served with eggs and bacon or sausage. We had sausage that Matt brought from the farm that he came from before us, and so today he's going to be trying our grits with some of our eggs and sausage from the previous farm. So here, Matt, what do you think of these grits?
Grits, huh? I don't know. Delicious. Nice texture.
Have you had grits before?
I think I did years ago, but they were different. They weren't like this. They were more white than yellow.
We hope you all enjoy a good warm bowl of grits with either salt, pepper, and butter, or add some cheese along with your eggs sometime in the morning. At least try them once. We like them down south. Grits. It's a southern comfort food. Thank you from Crazy Days.